Automobili Pininfarina has removed the covers and the roof from a unique one-off car, Battista Targamerica, the world's first coach-built electric hypercar delivered to a client. Battista Targamerica will receive its world premiere at the Quail, a Motorsport Gathering as part of this month's Monterey Car Week, the perfect venue for such an exclusive piece of automotive art. A design masterpiece, it is the first client-commissioned coach-built car from Automobili Pininfarina, and as such exemplifies perfectly the brand's philosophy of dream cars made real. Commissioned by a renowned car collector and existing Battista owner, the design team worked intimately with the client to inspire and create an extensive list of personalizations that help it stand out as a one-off design and technical statement. Hand-built by the atelier's artisans in Cambiano in collaboration with Pininfarina SPA, it is a complete expression of its owner's personality, reflecting their individuality and history, their tastes, interests, and unique life story. Immediately following the event, the car will take pride of place within one of the world's finest private and highly curated collections of rare, classic, and modern performance car icons. Battista Targamerica features a striking silver and blue color scheme, along with a meticulous re-engineering of the body to suit the roofless profile and deliver a unique open-top driving experience. It also incorporates elements of Automobili Pininfarina's award-winning Pura design philosophy, a futuristic vision of timeless luxury. In common with every Battista, it is a unique, handcrafted masterpiece and a reflection of the client's personality.